Hello children, so in this video I will explain you chapter 14, that is factorization of class 8th. So first of all, let's discuss what is factorization of an algebraic expression. Whenever we represent any algebraic expression in the form of product of their factors are called as factorization of that algebraic expression. That factor can be any number, it can be any variable, or it can be any algebraic expression. Suppose I am taking any example. So like we are having any algebraic expression 12xy square. So this is any algebraic expression and it is a monomial expression because we have one term only. So we can represent this in the form of product of their factor. How we can represent this in the form of product of their factor? Like 12 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 and then a variable x and into y square means y into y. So this is the factors. These all are the factors of this algebraic expression, and if we represent any algebraic expression in the form of their factors, they called as factorization. Like suppose I am taking another example, 3xy in bracket x square minus z. So here we can see that this algebraic expression are having some factor. What are the factors of this algebraic expression? 3 is one of the factor, then x is also one of the factor, y is also one of the factor, and this whole bracket is one of the factor of this algebraic expression. So we can say x square minus z is a factor for this algebraic expression. So simply when we represent any algebraic expression in the form of product of their factors are called as factors of that algebraic expression. So now in this video we will discuss how we can factorize any algebraic expression. There are so many methods. So in this video I will explain you the most easiest method, that is common factor method. How we can factorize any algebraic expression just by taking common factors. So let's see with some examples. So first method for factorization is common factor method. So suppose I'm taking any example, a very simple example. Suppose 4x square minus 12xy. This is any algebraic expression. We have two terms, so it is a binomial. So here we can factorize this. Factorization means we have to represent this as algebraic expression in the form of product of factors. So here we can see that in these two terms there is something common factor. So first of all we will represent both the term in their factors. So 4 we can write as 2 into 2, then x square we can write as x into x. Now minus 12 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 and then variable x and y. So after factorize both the term, now we have to take what are the common factor we have here. So first of all this 2 is common, so we will take this one as a common. Now there is second 2 in both the terms, so we will take the second 2 also as a common. Now we can see here we have x and x in both the terms, so we can take this x as a common. Now we have x, but here we have y. Okay, so all the common factor are 2, 2 and x. That's all. After that we don't have anything to take common. Now whatever the remaining factor we will write inside the bracket. So after taking 2, 2x as a common, we have x here, so we can write here x. Then minus, so minus, these two are common and this x is also common. So what we have here, 3 and y. So we can write 3 and y inside the bracket. Okay, so now we can write this one, 2 2 ja 4 x and inside the bracket x minus 3y. So this is our factorization is done, because here we represented this expression in the form of product of their factors. So 4x and this expression x minus 3y is what? They are these three are the factors of this algebraic expression, and we already represented this algebraic expression in the form of their factors. So by this way we can use the common factor method for factorization of any algebraic expression. First of all, we break all the terms in their factor. After that we will take all the common factor and remaining factors we will write inside the bracket, and our factorization must be done. So in next video we will discuss another method for factorization. So that's all for today. Thank you.